Hey there, it's Leslie from Silo and Rolling Acres. If you've been following along with our Oak Savanna Restoration Project, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through phase 2 of this multi-year effort to bring new life back to a location on our farm where the woods was overtaken by invasive species. If you're just joining us, this area used to be a dense tangle of invasive buckthorn. In phase 1, we spent a week in the late winter, right before spring was going to arrive, using a VCon forestry mulcher to take down the large buckthorn trees to open up the tree canopy and start the long process of the restoration project. You can check out that full video and blog post for the full story. I'll link it below. For phase 2, after the snow melted in April, we were left with about 2-foot tall buckthorn stumps across the site. We had more snow over winter than we typically do, which is why we were left with the tall stumps in the spring. As spring warmed up, those buckthorn stumps exploded with fresh growth, which is like a miniature buckthorn jungle almost overnight. We put our best brush management team to work, our goats and sheep. We set up electric net fencing and used a portable energizer system to manage their movements. There was also a portable water tank set up and a mineral feeder with them as well. 2 of our guardian dogs stayed with them full time, as well, always keeping everyone safe. We rotated the goats and sheep through the small paddocks within the project area to make sure that they were grazing in a concentrated way, really targeting that new buckthorn growth and setting it back. Grazing the Oak Savanna Restoration area was also integrated into our regular grazing rotation. While the goats and sheep grazed the buckthorn, that time our main pastures and hayfields had more rest during the season, which is a bonus for our pasture health as well. Once the livestock had moved out for the season, we went back to work with the restoration project the next spring. While the ground was thawing and soft, perfect timing for that next step. We brought in our bulldozer to push out those buckthorn stumps. This helped prevent the buckthorn from regrowing again and gave us a cleaner slate for future restoration work. We made brush piles with what we had cleared. Some we burned right away, while others we will continue to burn over time the next few winters when there's plenty of snow on the ground to keep things safe. After removing the stumps, we used the dozer to smooth out the land. This helped avoid any ruts or holes that could cause any problems with equipment or be hazardous for livestock and wildlife moving through the area later, even for us as farmers as well. Phase 2 was a big step forward. We've started to reclaim this area from the buckthorn and prepare the land for what comes next. The next phase, we'll be working on planting native pollinator species to help bring back biodiversity, support wildlife, and contribute to a healthier ecosystem in this part of our farm. And it's not just for the land, but it's also for a grazing system too for our livestock. Thanks for following along. You can find more details in the blog post linked below and what tools we used, photos, and updates from each phase. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out what's coming next in this restoration journey with our Oak Savanna area on our farm. You can also visit grazingwithleslie.com for more farm projects, grazing tips, and updates on our Oak Savanna Restoration Project work.